Hello, let me show you unboxing of AirPods 4. So on the box we can already find information that there is no charger inside, and we can find also recommended charger wattage. So let's go inside. Designed by Apple in California, and right here we've got all of this, user manual, some base information about the gestures, the warranty card. Nothing interesting. But right here we've got our earbuds. There we go. And they are actually much smaller than the AirPods 3. The case is like really small. When you open the case, we've got this indicator that is already blinking, which means that they are already in the pairing mode. So that's how they look. By the way, on the case, indicator on the front, USB-C port at the bottom, and okay, it looks like there's no pairing button. Yeah, that's so weird actually. Yeah, there is no pairing button, so I wonder how we can connect them how we can make them discoverable. But let's move into the earbuds. So as you can see, that's how they look. Almost the same like with the AirPods 3, a little bit different shapes right here. The sensors, they are located on the left and the right earbud. The marking that this is the left one, this is the right one. Right here at the bottom we can find charging pins all around.